In this video, I'll show you how to use OneXBet bonus account. This is very simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So, to use your OneXBet bonus account, what you have to do is to first of all locate it. So, after you've claimed it using the procedure I gave you using the promo code LEOTV, you are going to see an account here. Once you click on your account, that is called bonus account. So you're going to see a bonus account here, and to use it, all you have to do is just to select it. Once you select it, your bonus account is going to be selected, and any bet or activity that you take on your account now is going to be taken from your bonus account. So if you go ahead and place a bet, the bet will be placed from your bonus account. That's how to use bonus account in OneXBet.